Today is 4th of July, it's Independence Day, and right now I'm in here, LA just been through a very big earthquake. Seriously, it's the first time in my life I saw it. Earthquake, but good thing is I'm still here, still alive, so I'm going to join to watching the Rose Bowl firework. Come with me. Happy Independence Day!
You too. Thank you.
Here you can see lots of people, they don't even need to go inside, and they just bring the whole family and bring a tent here, and when the fireworks started, they all enjoying the show. Right now I'm here, Rose Bowl. I got a free ticket from my area director. I thought she was gonna go with me to see the fireworks, but actually she told me you can just go with your friend and just send you free tickets. So here we are. Thank you, Claire. 我也没有，我第一次看。去年的这个时候我在干什么
No, it starts at 7 o'clock. 我去年的时候我当时还去找你的。They're getting ready. They're warming up.
在休斯顿做了什么？
Noise and everything. They're warming up. 而去年这个时候，我为什么去看了烟花呢？哦，是寄宿家庭。The show, the fireworks show starts at 9.
我想去 Pennsylvania。
In between, they have different shows. 7 o'clock 是一个
哎，我之前有一个家庭就是匹到 Pennsylvania， 但是我没有跟他 confirm。然后之前我觉得对美国最多的了解最多的看每个地方有什么不同的时候，就是我们在匹的时候，就是你在匹每个不同家庭的时候，你就去查一下它的那个城市有什么，然后它的那个 state 有什么。So when we're trying to get into the Rose Bowl, I'll make some problem because we don't know there's some non-approved bags. We are holding it. It's bigger than they approve, so we have to bring up back to the car again. And we finally getting here. It's really long way to walk, and our legs are exhausting, and we can't wait to find a place to sit down. Until now, we don't know what's gonna happen next, and there is a big surprise waiting for us, and especially for my friends, because she recognized a famous guy in this place, and she wants to say hi and take a selfie with me. Just find there might be a really famous guy called Stivenaoki there, and she's thinking about going to ask are he is there Stivenaoki?
I am afraid to.
She wants me to go with her.
Yeah. Okay, bye everybody. We are going now.
But I really don't want it. Famous guy, just famous guys. They're just human beings, and I just kind of don't want to go with her. But
要去悉尼， but she don't want to go with me.
I want to take the picture for her, so let's go check it out. That guy is the famous guy. And yes, he is. And he's very friendly and nice. And we took the picture.
July 4th, 1776, the light of freedom was ignited with the signing of the Declaration of Independence. In order to form a more perfect union, our brave patriots fought for our freedom so that we could raise the light of hope, a light that still shines bright today from sea to shining sea. Tonight, we celebrate our freedom created by our nation's founding fathers. With the signatures of these courageous statesmen, a new nation was born, the United States of America.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.